Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of Brigade Group newly launched project, that is Brigade Eternia, which is located in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. In this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now before starting the video, let's check out the surrounding of the project. So as you can see, this is the main road of this location and this project is a roadage project. Here in front of me there is a sales office of the project with the land parcel itself. So starting with the project overview, this project will be constructed on 14 acres of land parcel consisting of 12 towers with ground plus 13 or 14 floors with 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, this project is located in Yelahanka, North Bangalore, exactly opposite to the RMZ Galleria Mall. Now let me show you the connectivity. So as you can see, this is the main road of the project. This side on my left hand side will connect you towards the main airport road, that is the International Airport Road. Now as you can see, this is the mini Vidhan Saudha. Now coming to the connectivity, 2 metro station with railway station is 5 minutes away from the project. Mall of Asia is also 5 minutes away from the project with Kempegowda International Airport 10 minutes away from this project. Now coming to the amenities part, this project has luxurious amenities like of kids adventure play area, multi-purpose sports court. Here we have amenities for all the age groups and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, this project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. With 3 BHK, there are 3 types. 3 BHK plus 3T is 1620 square feet to 1700 square feet super built up area. 3 BHK Royal is 1820 square feet to 2000 square feet super built up area. 3 BHK plus study is 2100 square to 2250 square feet, and 4 BHK plus maid room is 2700 to 2950 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process. This project is in pre-launch stage. So the token windows are open now, where we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will even show you the actual location with the actual land parcel of the project. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the token. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project, that is Brigade Eternia, located in Yelahanka, North Bangalore by Brigade Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.